Wanted the beverages?
No.
Okay, so why are we in a store trying to get beverages if you're not going to pay for it?
It's simple.
What's simple about it?
On January 22nd, 2026, what started as a simple trip to the grocery store would spiral into a confrontation that raises more questions than answers. Two men, one checkout line, and within minutes, everything falls apart.
It's the one with the complete lab.
The other guy? So both of them are getting wrong. Alright, hello gentlemen.
No.
We're gonna have a party.
No.
No party?
No party. No party.
What is going on?
So basically he's saying, use your credit card.
Okay, so number one.
Do not talk. Sit over there. What are you doing? I want you not to talk. I would like to talk.
You don't dictate who speaks. You don't dictate who speaks.
All right. Yes, ma'am. All down before you go handcuffs and you go down to the ground. I'm polar and I'm not well.
Oh, stop.
Wait. Wait a minute.
Please.
Ow!
I guess there's a better reason to put you in handcuffs, especially if you're bipolar and you're not well. Okay, but I can calm myself down right now.
Wow. Hang on, we have one detail.
Have a seat. Okay. I'm gonna help you. All right?
Sit. You ready?
Sure.
1, 2,
Whoa.
3. Put your butt down.
Is there any chance I can stand?
No. Because when you act like that,
Okay. I can hurt me.
sit.
No one's hurting me. No, the cuffs are hurting me. Okay.
Well, you should have behaved. Sit.
So, sit down.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Okay. Why are you kneeling?
Alright, don't talk to him yet, because now he can wait. Do you know him?
I'm not paying for this.
I didn't ask you to. Because nobody's paying for anything, because you guys aren't going to buy anything.
Yeah.
Do you know him?
No.
Okay.
Well, I met him.
Okay. So the answer is no. This guy.
Yeah, this guy, yes.
You know him?
Yeah, I know him.
Who is he to you?
He's a friend.
Okay. Why are you guys here?
So there's a party that's being thrown this evening, and I just won't pay for this.
You want to pay for this?
No, I don't want to pay for this.
So why are we in a store expecting not to pay for things? That's not how it works.
Because he said, come over here and pay.
What?
I'm not going to pay for it. I saw all of a sudden, he went to get free wine.
Well, it's not free.
Wine without alcohol. And the decay is wine without.
Here's where things get legally murky. Refusing service is one thing, but is picking up an item you intend to pay for actually theft, or is this officer setting a trap before the crime even happens?
Alcohol.
I have no idea what you're talking about. You wanted the beverages?
No.
Okay, so why are we in a store trying to get beverages if you're not going to pay for it?
It's simple.
What's simple about it?
It's simple.
Come to
He
the store, you
showed
have to
up.
buy.
He showed up with this here.
Okay, so why are you here?
I'm here to pay for what we're going to consume at the hotel.
But you just said you weren't going to pay for it.
I'm going to pay for what we're going to consume at the hotel.
Okay, do you have ID in here?
Yeah.
Do you guys want him here?
I think what I think is the other guy is trying to sabotage you.
Yeah.
He's trying to make you pay for something that you don't want to pay
They
for.
said, I wasn't here yesterday. The other security guard said the guy with the hat outside was here yesterday trying to buy like $200 worth of wine and stuff. And then he left for 7 hours, came back, and he went through a fake that it wasn't paid for.
You guys want the trespass or?
I didn't
might as well.
for sure. This guy, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know him. So
Yeah.
So no on him?
yeah, the first time I ever met him. So. And he says he's not from here. He's from Canada, right?
Yeah.
He's from Canada.
Are you visiting or are you just?
We're visiting. I'm visiting.
How long have you been visiting?
2 days, 3 days.
When do you fly back home?
I'm flying back home next Monday.
Nice.
So Diana, maybe you can get someone to put all that back.
Because they're not buying anything.
They're not buying them.
Like we're on the same page here.
Yeah, he used his card yesterday. $500.
He used his card?
No, his card.
Was it your card or his card?
His card.
His card?
Where are you staying?
At his place, but now we're staying at a hotel.
Where's the hotel?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Have you been there?
Yeah.
So where is it? How far is it from here?
It's on the Worth Avenue.
Worth Avenue?
Yeah. It's on
You gotta go to the Publix at the town of Palm Beach, because this ain't gonna work then.
Yeah, you know, it's not.
So go over there. I'm sure they'll let you get away with acting like this too. We don't.
You don't.
No, we don't. And I'm going to explain it to you, and I'm going to explain it to your friend. You go into a business, you're expected to pay. Here in America, not sure how it is in Canada.
In Canada, the same thing as in America. I'm from France.
Awesome, so you
I'm
guys
from
should
France.
know.
These guys are the same as you Americans.
Perfect. So then we're on the same page. Let's go.
I don't know why.
Come on. Let's go. And you're not grabbing any of this. So.
Yes, I'm trying. This here.
No, you're not. You're not
Yes, I
getting
am.
anything.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. You're not paying for anything.
Yes,
because
I
they
am.
don't want you.
I don't care. I don't care what you want. I'm going to pay for that and this here.
You're not. Do you want him to buy this? No. They're allowed to refuse your service. They don't want your business. If you think you're going to buy it, go ahead. They're not going to check you out. And then when you walk out with the property, I'll arrest you for stealing. So your choice. You tell me. I'll take you to
Arrest
jail.
you for stealing.
Okay. So try to buy it. I'll meet you outside and I'll
Okay.
take you to jail.
I'll see you outside. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Go ahead. And then I'll take you to Palm Beach County Jail. Go.
Whatever.
Okay.
Whatever.
That's fine. I'll get overtime. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm going to.
Everyone, is there a unit out there? Come over here. I need cuffs. You ready? You just got told.
I got told to go outside.
Just got told. So then let's go outside.
Whoa!
Sure, I'm gonna drop you to the ground if you don't put your arm out.
No.
You got 2 seconds. Got it?
Telling you.
You said outside.
You're gonna come to the ground in 2 seconds.
There you go. Bring it on.
Quit resisting.
Do you have another?
No.
Everyone, can I get another unit? John, you got other cuffs?
You have to get a real man.
Downtown, so you get that.
Actually, just need another set of
I
cuffs.
just need another set of cuffs. You have your other set of cuffs?
Listen. You want to play this game?
Because I really don't want to drop this old guy on the floor. So,
Is he resisting?
he's going to jail.
Are you resisting? I don't know.
They told you to leave.
Watch out, this is
I
bad.
got blood on. You got it?
Are you resisting? No, you just can't physically put your whole body back. Hold on.
You gotta speak to us.
Can you do it?
No.
Stop.
He said you're going to see you outside.
We're trying to go
And they
outside.
told you
Jackie,
to stop.
Wait, you forget me. All I wanted to do.
Alright, so he is resisting. Alright, I just wanted to get that across. No problem.
You got it?
There you go.
You got it? I got blood all over me.
Yes!
Everyone, I have a second one to fan.
No!
Oh, stop!
Well, let me stop.
Grow up.
Go up, no.
They don't have the cartridge 51. Okay, I got it. I was just asking.
I have blood all over me.
Because I don't even know.
Perfect. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Did I not tell you that if you didn't leave, they didn't want your business?
Stand right there. Hold on, it's on the other side. I know, clean yourself up.
Everyone, can I just get medics to my location?
First of all, I'm not here to discuss anything with you. I'm asking you a serious question. Do you need fire rescue? Yes, I do. Okay.
Yeah,
What are your
who is
medical
it on?
complaints?
I have EMS coming.
So you got
I just have his blood all over.
got his blood on you?
Yeah, his blood.
Alright.
We got here. I asked. Got here, EMS said they were both spazzing out in by the
This
pharmacy.
guy, man.
Yeah, so me and John go in. I asked him what's going on. He jumps up in our face because he wanted to be spoken to first. He gave us an issue, so we put him in cuffs, brought him outside. I went in to speak to him because he was being an asshole.
Oh, he told us to go in.
We asked him to sit. He said he wanted to go on his knees. So then I went back in to speak to him. Security and the manager's like, we're not letting him buy anything. So I said, I didn't have cuffs on me. I was by myself. So I said, you can't buy anything on him. I said, you can't buy anything. They're not gonna scan you. I said, so if you're gonna try, it's gonna be stealing. I'm gonna arrest you. And then Jackie came in and I said, you gotta leave. They don't want you here. He was continuing to try to pick up the belongings and then he resisted. He wouldn't go in cuffs. He never went in the ground, but the cuff caused a laceration as he was fighting, and then.
So can I tell you my story?
No.
Hold on.
She told her story.
Yeah, he does.
Don't interrupt. Just stand right there.
I don't even know if I was.
Scotty, we'll talk to you. We'll talk to you.
I didn't have cuffs because I had them on him. So when I saw you, it was like, all right, good, I got cuffs.
Well, that's the thing, because I was just going in to get water.
Yeah, you got cuffs.
No, it's okay. I'm fine.
I told him to sit. He's choosing to
I'm fine. I can stick him.
just leave him because for now. Yeah, Jackie, you want to just wait there with him?
I'm probably going.
He's literally just pulling his car out. Yeah.
Hey, watch out with the double. I'm just.
I have his blood all
I
over.
know, but still.
See as I do. Sorry, maybe you should have just did what you were told. You have ID in here?
I gave it to you already.
Oh, it was the other guy who didn't give me his ID?
I gave it to you.
I hear ya.
A laceration from resisting cuffs, a mental health condition mentioned almost in passing. Was this really about theft anymore, or had the situation already escalated past the point where de-escalation was ever on the table?
Right it from the get-go.
Okay. You have ID?
Beg your pardon?
You have ID?
Ow!
Oh, stop.
Ah!
You have ID?
Yes,
Where is
back
it?
pocket.
Yeah.
The handcuffs are
It
hurting
was
me.
so
Touch
dramatic.
your pocket.
No, the handcuffs are hurting me.
I know, but if you
Where are
sit
you
down,
from?
it won't hurt you.
Are you from Canada
30
also?
Sorry?
Are you from Canada also?
I live at.
Where's your ID?
The last container is my license, and my business, and my calling card is
Yeah, I
right
didn't
there.
ask for that. I asked for your license. And this isn't. So you're not from.
I
You live in
here-
Canada?
I live here half the year, and I live in Toronto half the year.
All right, sir, go ahead and stand up for me.
Yeah. Oh wait.
He's being.
Sorry, they hurt.
Hold on, I'm going to see something. That's for you.
I cut this guy. He was resistant, but I got blood all over him.
Are you cut? Do you have cut?
No, it's his blood. I just didn't want to
grab
use
the
like
gun.
crappy hands. He's got a cut on his left arm. The one guy. Thank you.
Would it be possible for you to explain to me what happened?
So they're both going to jail. They thought that they could come here and not pay for a bunch of alcohol, and then one got in our face, and then the other one got in our face and resisted. So they're both going to jail. We tried to get them to leave on their own. They didn't want to leave.
I was a house guest for 2 days. I had to go because Henry, the other one, was bipolar, and it was.
Ma'am, real quick.
Yeah.
How do you know?
The store manager wants.
Yeah, he wants to go
trespass.
Yeah, they're going. Yeah.